Assalamualaikum students. Today I will deliver the lecture of SST of 6th class. I hope you will be fine and you have learned the previous lesson. In previous lecture we have discussed about the Aryans and caste system of India. Now our today's topic is remaining part of the Aryans. Guys, in this paragraph we will read the Aryans had introduced caste system in India, but with the passage of time, this caste system proved unfair. Now I'm going to read this paragraph from book. Much of the present day culture in India and Hinduism can be traced back to the Aryans. जो मौजूदा कल्चर है इंडिया का वो आर्यंस ने ही इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था. The Aryans brought the infamous caste system to India. आर्यंस मयूब या ख़राब किस्म का निज़ाम इंडिया में लाए. It began as a system of recognizing people by their jobs. इस सिस्टम ने लोगों को उनके कामों के ज़रिए मुतारिफ करवाया. Groups of people were given certain tasks and their families and children were expected to follow their example and continue the family business. मखसूस किस्म के लोगों को मखसूस किस्म के काम दिए गए थे और उनके ख़ानदान और बच्चों को उनके फैमिली बिजनेस को फॉलो करना पड़ता था. Over time, the system became rigid and unfair. You can see here, with the passage of time, this caste system proved unfair. The priests who belonged to the highest caste, the Brahmins, banned changing the caste into which anyone was born. You can see here that if someone has born in lowest caste at the end day of his life, he belonged to that caste in which he has born. He was not allowed to move on the highest caste. The downtrodden low caste Shudras were the unhappiest because the high caste Brahmins considered them unclean and assigned all manual tasks to them. स्टूडेंट्स डाउन ट्रोडन मीन्स बेचारे मजलूम. शुद्रास जो कि लो कास्ट से बिलोंग करते थे वो बहुत नाखुश थे क्योंकि ब्राह्मण उनको अनक्लीन समझते थे और उन्हें अदना और मामूली किस्म के काम असाइन करते थे. द शूद्रस वर आल्सो केप्ट अवे फ्रॉम रिलीजियस नॉलेज एंड रिचुअल्स विच वर फॉर्म्स ऑफ गेनिंग रिस्पेक्ट एंड ऑनर इन दोज डेज. जो शूद्रस थे उनको मजहबी इल्म और रस्म व रवाज से दूर रखा जाता था जिससे वो इन दिनों में इज्जत और वक़ार हासिल कर सकते थे. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर अ वर्ड इज रिचुअल विच मीन्स रस्म व रवाज. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट पेज. In this paragraph, students, now we will read about the metals which Aryans had introduced to the local people, such as bronze, gold, and other things. Now, students, I am going to read this paragraph from book. The Aryans introduced the local people to metals including bronze and gold, chariots, horses, and the use of bow and arrow. एरियंस ने मुकामी लोगों को मेटल से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जिनमें गोल्ड और ब्रॉन्ज शामिल थीं. तीर और कमान का इस्तेमाल भी उन्होंने मुकामी लोगों को सिखाया. A unique feature of the Aryans was that they did not leave behind any artifacts nor did they leave any grand structures to depict their lifestyle. एक यूनिक फीचर है जो आर्यंस का वो ये है कि उन्होंने अपने पीछे कोई भी नमूना या नक्शा नहीं छोड़ा. Instead, they left behind religious literature called the Vedas. बल्कि उन्होंने अपने मजहबी लिटरेचर को मुतारिफ कराया जिसे विदास कहते हैं. The Vedas tell us everything we know about the Aryans' way of life. विदास ही हमें एरियंस की ज़िंदगी के बारे में बताता है. The language they used as Sanskrit which is the basis of modern Hindi. उनकी लैंग्वेज संस्कृत थी जो कि आज की हिंदी ज़ुबान की बुनियाद है. A large number of people on the Indian subcontinent today are descended from the Aryans. आज भी बहुत से लोग इंडिया में एरियंस की रिलीजियस टीचिंग से दूर हो गए हैं। Look here, students, here a word which is bronze, which means type of copper. Bronze is a type of copper. Guys, the underlined word means two-wheeled vehicles. Okay guys, now you will learn all this question from page number 9 and 10. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.